Hey guys, lesson 3.4 in equivalent fraction rule part 2 right here. So with this part right here, we have to write the missing number in each fraction so that the fraction belongs in the box. AKA, we need to write a fraction that's equivalent by writing a numerator or a denominator, whatever we're missing. And then in this bottom box, we need to fill in the empty box with a fraction that belongs, that's equivalent to 1/3 that's not already here. So let's look at this. We have 1/3 and we have something sixth. Well, I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to go 1/3, equals something sixth. Well, how do I get from thirds to sixth? How do I get from 3 to 6? So I can either add 3 or I can multiply by 2. So I'm actually going to multiply by 2 because that is the correct way of doing it. You'll always hear me say this. Whatever you do to the top, you do to the bottom. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So if I'm multiplying by 2 on the bottom, I'm going to multiply by 2 on the top. 1 times 2 is 2. So it's going to be 2 sixths. All right, simple enough. Now, next one, I have 1/3 again. 1/3 equals, I have a numerator of 3, but I don't know what my denominator is. So whatever I do to the top, I do to the bottom. So 1 times what equals 3? 3. So 1 times 3 equals 3. So I have to multiply by 3 on the bottom. So 1/3 times 3/3 equals 3/9. These are the exact same right here. So I would put a 9 in this spot. Finally, I have to create my own. So I'm going to do 1/3 equals, well, I have a 3 in the denominator spot. So what I want to do is try to find a multiple of that 3. So I can do 3 6. I've already done that. 9. Oh, already done that. Let's just do the next one. So I know that the next one should be 12. Okay. So 3 times what equals 12? 3 times 4. So I do 1 times 4 because whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So 1 times 4 is 4. So we would have 4/12. Hopefully this helps. If not, that's all right. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let us know.